loves, it is your girl Dom. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, I just want to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you like fashion, do it yourselves, basically being the ultimate girly girl, or you want to be the ultimate girly girl, this page is for you. If you are not interested in that, well, thank you for stopping by and make your exit now. So spring is in. I did the fashion forecasting. Hopefully you saw the video. If not, stop right now, pause this video, and go check it out. Link up or here, somewhere around this page. So for all you who wants to know, that the feathered crop top is in, as you can see I'm wearing right now, and in the beginning of the video I actually made this. The reason why I decided to make this was because, guys, I have seen online, the first thing I saw was Aaliyah J wearing it, getting the outfits, and she's like, oh, this is really cute, I got them in 2 colors, and I was like, ooh, I need me one, right? So I went online to check it out. She said it was in Boohoo. I've seen some for $38, then I saw some for outrageous prices. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna post it up here because it's like ridiculous, some of the prices that I have seen about the crop top. I've seen some for $54, I've seen some for $38, I've seen some for $27, I've seen some for $64, $80, and I've seen some, you guys ready? The drum roll. $1,200. Like, that is ridiculous. I'm sorry. I'm not buying something that is $1,200 for a freaking feather on my dress, on my shirt. I'm sorry. No. So if you ladies are like me, who want to save some of your coins, and you have some of these items lying around, well, let's get started because this thing is super easy. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and buy it and take, oh, I still want to look fabulous without having to do it, that's fine. Here's the link. I already told you some of the names. Go ahead and shop the link. Thank you later. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you guys will need is a bustier or tank top. Yeah, I got from Victoria's Secret a couple years ago, and it was about $58, $60. I'm not telling you to get that. You could even get a tank top from Walmart. You could also get, or those bras or bustiers there too as well, or the push-up corsets. The boa I got from, you could get from Hobby Lobby, you could get it from Michael. I've seen some at the dollar store. Now mind you, at the dollar store, they do have these, but they're very thin. When I mean thin, like thin. But if that's what you could afford, you could always double it up. It's really just using your creativity and your imagination. This I actually got from a friend who took it off her shirt, and I thought it was fabulous. So I was like, yes, let me put it on my bustier. See that? Cute. See how I roll with the feathers for you guys? Look like a big bird, big black bird. You know what I'm saying? A needle and thread. If you don't want to do the needle and thread method, you can use some adhesive spray or the glue, but make sure it's for your fabric because you don't want to mess up your fabric. I believe it was less than $12. I want to say it was $8 to $10, but I'm not very sure. You guys can definitely go to the craft store and get it. Walmart has this as well. And of course, handy dandy scissors. Now, this is so fun. You guys can always mix and match, switch it up, put different colors. Just get creative. This is about having fun. So remember that, okay? Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to see me do is take the boa, and I'm going to go ahead and measure it. When you're making this, you don't want the feathers under your armpits because it's just going to be more irritating and probably sweaty. So for me, I'm just going to put it a little bit before the cup. So put it right here and measure it around the line. So now that I marked the feathers on my bustier, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So now you guys could go ahead and get your adhesive and go ahead and spray it on there. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye. You know what I'm saying? Just a